The government vows it will not waver on carrying out reforms at the local government level as well as in the police and the military. This after the Office of the Ombudsman released a report about the big number of corruption cases from these offices. The Ombudsman said the leading government agencies with a huge number of corruption cases include the local government units with more than 2,000 cases, Philippine National Police with some 1,000 cases, and the Armed Forces of the Philippines with 200 cases. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said this figure is not surprising considering the number of localities involved and the huge number of individuals coming from the police and the military.
Ang pinakamahalaga dyan ay yung aksyon ng mga ahensya. Kaya nga, isa sa mga haligi ng ating Philippine Development Plan ay yung good governance. At maging sa hanay ng local governments, maaalala natin ang pagpupunyagi at pagiging masigasig ng yumaong kalihim Jesse Robredo, no, sa pagtaas ng kalidad ng serbisyo sa local governments. Meron siyang mga challenge goals, no, binibigyan ng incentives yung mga local government to perform well. No. Nagsimula din siya ng Citizens Charter that increases the transparency of transactions down to the local government level. Lahat naman po ng mga institusyon sa pamahalaan ay ginagabayan noong programa ng ating Pangulo na Daang Matuwid. Kaya habang iniuulat na maraming mga kasong ganyan, kasabay naman po dyan yung patuloy na emphasis by the government on good governance and reduction of corruption as one of the 5 pillars of the Philippine Development Plan.